even more house hunting mistakes to avoid? Come on, man. Stay tuned. Boy, I tell you. How's it going? DeJuan Smith with Red Zone Realty, and it's about that time for another video. Let me begin by thanking you sincerely for tuning in. You're the reason I do this. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. So glad you're here. A little bit about myself. I'm a licensed real estate agent providing services to the greater Jacksonville, Florida area and the surrounding counties. I'm also a lifelong native of Jacksonville, as well as an avid sports fan. Go Jags, go Cubs, go Noles. My teams aren't really that good right now, so let's move forward before the emotions from that realization kick in. Welcome to House Hunting Part 2. If you missed Part 1 or want to refresh your memory, I provided the link down in the description box. In that video, I talked about some of the mistakes potential homebuyers make during their home search. I then thought you could use a few more to get you more prepared than you were before and boost your confidence during this monumental part of your life. Believe me, it really can be fun. Get comfortable and let's get into it, shall we? We don't just want to focus on the residence. Look at the surrounding area as well. It's impossible to perfectly predict the future of your chosen neighborhood, of course, but inquiring about and researching its prospect now can help you avoid unpleasant surprises down the road. Some questions you should ask include: what kind of development plans are in the works for the neighborhood? Is the street likely to become a major street or a popular rush hour shortcut? Is there talk of a bridge or a highway to be built within the next 5 years nearby? Is there a lot of undeveloped land around, and what's exactly going to get built on that undeveloped land? Have home values in the neighborhood been declining or rising? If you're happy with the answers to these questions, then your potential house's location can remain a contender. In a hot market, it may be necessary to make an offer fast if you find a home you like. However, you have to balance the need to make a quick decision with the need to make sure the home will be right for you. Don't neglect important steps such as making sure the neighborhood feels safe at night as well as during the day, and investigating possible noise issues like a nearby train or an airport. Ideally, you'll be able to take at least one night to sleep on the decision, and how well you sleep that night and how you feel about the home the next morning will tell you a lot about whether the decision you're about to make is the right one. Taking the time to consider the decision also gives you a chance to research how much the property is really worth and offer an appropriate price. It's a tough balancing act to make sure you make a careful decision, but don't take too long to make it. Losing out on a property that you are almost ready to make an offer on because someone beat you to the punch can be heartbreaking. It can also have economic consequences. Let's say, for example, you're self-employed. Perhaps for you, more than others, time is money. The more time and energy you have to take out of your normal activities to search for a house, the less time and energy you have available to work. Not dragging out the home buying process unnecessarily may be the best thing for your business, and the continued success of your business will be essential to paying the mortgage. If you don't pull the trigger quickly, someone else might, and you'll have to keep looking. Don't underestimate how time-consuming and routine-disrupting house shopping can be. If there's a lot of competition in your market and you find a place you really like, it's all too easy to get sucked into a bidding war or try to preempt the bidding war by offering a high price in the first place. But there are a couple of potential problems with this. First, if the house doesn't appraise at or above the amount of your offer, the bank won't give you the loan unless the seller reduces the price or you pay cash for the difference. If this happens, the shortfall on your bid, as opposed to your mortgage, will have to be paid out of pocket. Second, when you go to sell the house, if the market conditions are similar or worse than they were when you purchased, you may find yourself upside down on the mortgage and unable to sell. Make sure the purchase price for the home you buy is reasonable for both the house and the location by examining comparable sales and getting your agent's opinion before making an offer. If you like this video, go ahead and click the button that says you do. Feel free to leave me a comment down below. Go ahead and subscribe and click on the notification bell to be alerted when a new weekly video comes out. Go to DeWanSmithRealtor.com for a complimentary home buyer's checklist, my gift to you. Finally, as always, if there's anything in the world I can do for you, please let me know. You can reach me at the email address listed below. Until next time, this is DeWan Smith, your real estate lighthouse, still wishing you nothing but house hunting success. Peace.